guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the leaked Asante Kotoko kit. Most of you might have seen it, most of you might have not seen it, so we are going to look into it and review it. But before we go into it, you know that the current kit sponsors are Strike and Asante Kotoko are still in contract with them. But before the league ended because of the coronavirus incident pandemic, there were reports that Asante Kotoko are no longer interested in continuing their deal with Strike, and they wanted a new kit sponsors, and they asked these new kit sponsors to send them samples. And these pictures you are seeing on the screen right now are what we feel might be the new kits for next season. So we have the red one, it has the black, the green, the blue, the yellow, sorry, then the MTN logo there, just small in the middle. Looks nice. Personally, it looks nice. The logo is not that big, it's just moderate and in the middle. You know, if you watch one of my videos, I complained that the MTN logo on the Kotoko jersey is too big and I didn't like it. Then we move over to the yellow one. The yellow one, the black and yellow, is different. It looks like an ash gold jersey, just two yellow lines and one white one crossroad, then MTN in the middle. Personally, the only thing I like about this one is the Ankara in the wrist, or in the arm, in the sleeve, sorry. And I don't like it, the yellow and black, because it looks like an ash gold jersey. And then this white and black, I don't like it very much. Doesn't look like something Asante Kotoko would wear. So if this is really the kit for next season, it won't be nice. I don't think I like this one. And then the goalkeeper jersey is okay. I love this one. The goalkeeper jersey is okay. Then the shin guard is good. The shin guard is good. The tracksuit, I love the tracksuit. It looks very neat, and I love how the wrist area is somehow, what do you call it? It's supposed to be turtleneck. This is turtle wrist or turtle arm. It actually looks nice. I love the design, and the wrote Porcupine Warriors on the chest. It looks great. Then we move over to the yellow and black tracksuit. I don't like this one. It also looks like an ash gold tracksuit. I don't like it. Then the bag, I like the bag, the color and everything, but I don't like its quality. If you watch professional clubs, the bag is not that of school children. The current Kotoko Strike bag, the one they put their stuff when they're going for training or for match, I don't like it. It looks very very immature. It looks very cheap for a club like Kotoko. So if they use a leather bag, that would be very nice. But I love the design, but I would prefer the material to be leather. Oh, the slides are okay, red and black. The slides look very nice. Now the t-shirt, very good. I love the t-shirt. The t-shirt looks very nice. I love the t-shirt. The color of red and black is, I love it. Then we move over to the towel, white and red. Not that bad. It's okay, just a towel. Oh, I don't like the socks at all. I don't like the socks. The socks doesn't look very nice. I don't like it. The socks don't look nice. I don't know why. Who gives you the idea that Kotoko will wear yellow and black? This is ash gold color. Why would Kotoko wear something like that? Okay, the hat looks very good, but I would prefer the Kotoko logo to be there instead of the Porcupine Warriors. I don't want them to attack me for stealing their brand anymore again. Then we move to I don't like this. It just looks too simple. Maybe a training kit or something. It just looks too simple to be a main jersey. Then we move. This socks is the shit. Sorry for my language. This socks is the best. I love this socks. Red and black. Yes, this socks is okay. Ooh, I don't like the tracksuit, the yellow and black, so I'm going to skip. Wow, this is my favorite. This one here is my favorite. The white and the yellow, the black, the green. It looks very nice, and if this is the away kit, it's going to be very nice. So I'm all for this particular one, and I'll be glad to see Asante Kotoko wear this. Wow. And this red one, the this particular red one, this should be the red one should be the home kit and the white one should be the away kit. So they all look very nice, but the yellow and black, I don't like it. It has good color. The tracksuit, the JC, the socks, the hats, the socks, the shin guard, everything that's yellow and black should be taken off the list. That's if they actually go into consideration. I don't like anything yellow and black, so all Kotoko fans will be expecting red and white, red and black. So anything that falls in between that line or category is what I feel will be acceptable to Kotoko fans and to be appropriate for the club. Yeah, so that's all for now. If you have any thoughts or any comments, which jersey would you like? Would you be cool with the yellow and black, or would you like prefer the red and black, or the white? That one I love. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Please comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now. Thank you.